Compressive strength test for concrete hollow blocks or masonry unit. This test was based from ASTM C140 or C140M-14, which is popularly known as standard test methods for sampling and testing concrete masonry units and related units. Before starting the initial compressive test for the concrete hollow blocks sample, it is really necessary to measure the physical attributes like the length, width, thickness, and structural components of the sample. Proper and accurate recording of data should also be observed in the laboratory. For the near-to-exactness measurements, lab caliper is highly advisable to measure the web and face thickness of the hollow block sample. Same with the other test conducted, weight of the sample is also a factor to consider, marking of sample likewise. Prepared sample is now ready for testing. It will be then set up in the calibrated compression machine. Setting up the sample is easy, just secure that the sample will be placed in the center of the bearing plate on the top and bottom contact. This thing is really important to consider to arrive in near to perfection results. When the sample is ready to be tested, the machine will be operated in downward movement towards the block and proceeds for the compressive force. This cracking sign only dictates that the block reached its limit. Data recording and formal documentation will follow upon this result. Concrete hollow blocks or masonry unit compression test technical specifications and results. Size of the sample is 340 mm length by 90 mm width by 20 mm face thickness by 25 mm web thickness, having a corresponding weight of 8.21 kilograms. Gross area is 35,100 square millimeter. Maximum imposed load of 207,573 newtons and compressive strength of 1060 pounds per square inch. This concludes that our sample is of normal weight capacity block. Thank you and God bless.